say hi to the kitty cat?
Oh, she heard the sound.
Yeah.
Amelia, go get the cat.
She's never crawled on hardwood before. Oh,
Here comes the cat.
Hi, Tommy. Hi, Kitty. Look how excited she is.
Amelia, is that the kitty?
Kitty cat.
Meow. Meow. Come get the kitty.
Come say hi to the kitty cat.
Where's your other sock?
It's right here. Yeah. Kitty cats. You can do it. Come get it. Come say hi. Yeah.
It's a little slippery.
I've never been on the hardwood before.
Go, Amelie, go. Where's that kitty? Where'd that kitty go? Find that kitty. Meow. Where's the kitty?
The kitty cat. Where's the kitty cat? What does the kitty cat say? Meow. What does the kitty cat say? Meow. Meow. Come over and say hi. You can do it. Yeah.
No, we're done crawling. What's over there?
You excited? What do you see? Shoes?
That's hard work. Listen to her huffing and puffing. I swear, every time I'm filming a thing, an email comes and makes that noise, and she always looks.
Yeah.
Yay, we got the kitty. Meow.
Yeah, you did so good.
Cat's nice to her.